Hello, good morning, kids. Welcome to our English class, everyone. Today, we are going to start with our second semester, and my name is Insia. I am your new teacher of English. So, before starting our semester, we should learn about the course, right? So, let's see. Here in the index, are you able to see the screen? Okay. The chapter number 7, the Tuntun Town Musicians, chapter number 8, the Great Hero, and chapter number 9, Lion the King of Forest. These three chapters are going to be the part of the FA2 examination. Then along with it, the chapter number 10, chapter number 11 and chapter number 12 will be the course of Essay 2 examination. It means from chapter 7 to chapter 12 will be the course of semester 2 examination. Clear everyone? Now let's move forward. Let's start with our unit 7, that is the first unit for the FA2 examination. The name of our unit is the Tuntun Town Musicians. What is the meaning of Tuntun Town? You want to know? Tuntun Town is the name of one town. Like our town name is Surendranagar, in the same way it is the name of one town. And what about musicians? Who are called musicians? You want to know? Musicians are the person who play the music. They are called musicians. So the chapter name is the Tuntun Town Musician. Clear? Now moving forward to the characters of our chapter. See here, there is one donkey, a cock, a dog and a cat. It is a good scenery picture. See on the screen. These are all the characters of our chapter. But before knowing the story of our chapter, we should learn the hard words, right? So if we learn the hard words or say the new words, it will be easy for us to understand the story well. Let's start it. The number 1 is FORWARD, forward. Speak with me. Forward, forward, forward. Its meaning is ahead. Forward मतलब ahead, आगे बढ़ना. Next one, NARRATE, narrate. Speak with me. Narrate, narrate, narrate. Meaning of narrate is to tell a story, to describe any situation or event. When we are explaining about a situation or event to someone, it can be called that we are narrating that situation or we are narrating the story. Okay. Next one, GUESS, guess. Speak with me. Guess, guess, guess. The meaning of guess is to assume about something but you are not sure for it. क्या मतलब हुआ इसका? जब हम किसी चीज़ के बारे में, किसी इवेंट के बारे में हम assumption करते हैं, सिर्फ अनुमान लगाते हैं, we are not sure about it. Next one, SANG, sang. Speak with me. Sang, sang, sang. It is the past tense of the word SING, sing. You all know the meaning of sing, right? Sing मतलब गाना गाना. Okay. Next one, LATER, later. Speak with me. Later, later, later. The meaning of later is afterwards. When we want to say that हम कोई काम बाद में करने वाले हैं, we can say it in the way that I will do it later. Next one, ASLEEP, asleep. Speak with me. Asleep, asleep, asleep. The meaning of asleep is we are sleeping. When someone is sleeping, it can be said that he or she is asleep. Okay. Next one, STRIPES, stripes. Speak with me. Stripes, Stripes. Stripes. The meaning of stripes is the narrow line of any color on something. Okay. For example, we can say the tiger is having black stripes on his body. Next word, chase, chase. Speak with me. Chase, chase, chase. The meaning of chase is to run after something or someone or try to catch something. We can say that a cat always chases a mice, or the cat always tries to catch the mice. Understood? Next one, ROOSTER, rooster. Speak with me. Rooster, rooster, rooster. The meaning of rooster is a cock. We all have seen a cock, right? Rooster means a cock. Next one, OVERSLEEP, oversleep. Speak with me. Oversleep, oversleep, oversleep. The meaning of oversleep is to sleep more than required. जब ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा टाइम तक हम सोते हैं, it is known as oversleep. Next, ALTOGETHER, altogether. Speak with me. Altogether, altogether, altogether. The meaning of altogether is complete, in total. जब किसी को बोला जाता है कि you all are coming with us or we all are going, we can say that we are going all together. Next one is PEEPED, peeped. Speak with me. Peeped, peeped, peeped. The meaning of peeped is to look at someone secretly. और उस वर्ड का पास्ट फॉर्म है peeped. द रियल वर्ड है PEEP, peep, to look at someone secretly, और उसका पास्ट फॉर्म बनता है PEEPED, peeped. नेक्स्ट वन, BRAID, braid. Speak with me. Braid, braid, braid. Bray is the sound of a donkey. A donkey brays, और उसका पास्ट फॉर्म है braid. Next one, BARKED, barked. Speak with me. Barked, barked, barked. The sound of a dog is known as bark. A dog barks and its past form is bark, given here. Okay. Next one, MEOWED, meowed. Speak with me. Meowed, meowed, meowed. The sound of a cat is known as meow and its past form is given here as meowed. Next one is CROWDED, crowded. Speak with me. Crowded, crowded, crowded. Sound of a cock can be called a cock crows. Its past form is crowded. Next one is YELLED, yelled. Speak with me. Yelled, yelled, yelled. Yelled means to shout out loudly. When someone shouts, whether it is in pain or in excitement or with happiness, but when someone shouts very loudly, it can be called yelled. Next one, GHOST, ghost. Speak with me. Ghost, ghost, ghost. Ghost can be called the soul of someone who is dead. We say ना भूत, बोलते हैं ना हम गुजराती में भूत, उसे इंग्लिश में घोस्ट कहते हैं. But it doesn't exist, so no need to be scared of it. Okay. Next one is ROBBER, robber. ROBBER, robber. Speak with me. Robber, robber, robber. A person who steals something can be called a robber. चोर हम कहते हैं ना, चोर, उसे इंग्लिश में robber कहते हैं. Next one, shouting, shouting. Speak with me. Shouting, shouting, shouting. Shouting मतलब जोर से चिल्लाना. मम्मी चिल्लाती है कभी कभी आप पे, टीचर चिल्लाती है जब आप होमवर्क नहीं करते. यू ऑल नो द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड वेरी वेल, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन इज PURRED, poured. Speak with me. Poured, poured, poured. Its meaning is continuous slow sounds of someone which shows pleasure. Generally this word is used for a cat's sound. A cat sometimes makes continuous sounds. If you have heard, sometimes the cat sometimes makes this sound, that is known as poured. Next one is BRN, barn. Speak with me. Barn, barn, barn. It is the room into a farm which is used to keep the crops and keep the animals by the farmers. Next one, CONCERTS, concerts, concerts. Speak with me. Concerts, concerts, concerts. Concerts means a live music show. When someone is performing in front of us lively, it may be music, it may be singing, it can be called a concert. Now you all are going to write these hard words one time in your classwork book. Okay? You all will write with neat and clear and beautiful handwriting. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day to all of you.